Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to dim a rear view mirror to avoid headlight shine. This will be a simple driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a standard rear view mirror. Now, many modern rear view mirrors will have an auto dimming feature, but a somewhat older one like this doesn't have that feature. So you have to manually dim it. So let's say you're driving on the highway and someone behind you has their high beams on or has super bright modified headlights. Sorry about that. I had something caught in my throat the whole time and I just really had to cough. I couldn't finish the video with that thing in my throat. So you're driving on the highway, someone has their high beams on or super bright headlights, and you don't want to keep seeing them blind you whenever you look at your rear view mirror. Well, if you look underneath your rear view mirror right over here, you can see there's a little tab. Now, if you actually pull back on this tab, pull back towards you, what happens is it flips up, and that allows you to dim it so that you don't have to look at their headlights. So like I said, if you're looking in your rear view mirror and someone's headlights or high beams are just kind of like blinding you, then all that you have to do is get your finger and you're going to find a tab under here and just pull it back towards you, and all of a sudden now you have dimmed your rear view mirror, and therefore their headlights or their high beams aren't going to hurt your eyes anymore. Whenever you want to flip it back to its normal mode, you just push it like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.